Welcome back to feralart. How you doing? Girl, get out of here. What are you doing? No! So hard to find good help.
Hey, what are you talking about?
Good evening. How you doing? This evening we have a 24 by 24 level 3 gallery wrap canvas from Michael's.
Artist Loft.
Artist Loft, whatever.
You want to tell them where you are?
Nope. I'm at Mina's house. How you doing, HOA?
Doing great.
That's wonderful. I ain't asking you. This evening I'm doing something that Mina tried on Wednesday, and I learned from what she did, and
Or didn't do.
or didn't do, and
to do.
I'm gonna try it myself. So my colors this evening, my base coat is Amsterdam Pearl Red, pretty thin, pretty thin. And we also have Modern Masters Venetian Blue, which is also beautiful and pretty thin. We have Deco Art Americana Metallics, whatever it is, 24 karat gold. We have Amsterdam Titanium White. And we have some lovely drips. So, I am going to be blowing this out, and frighteningly enough, I'm going to use Mina's short barrel leaf blower. It's a Makita, and she loves this because it has a progressive trigger. It blows cold air. And why else do we like
Cordless.
this? Oh, it is cordless. Yeah,
Drag the cord through
that
the
too.
paint.
So that's pretty exciting. We'll see if I can screw this up. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to lay out our base coat, because I like a base coat myself. And I haven't painted for over a month, so, you know, we just going to try. Alright, so now we've got our base coat down. I'm just going to pour myself a little runway from over here. And set that off. First color we're going to put down is our Venetian Blue from Up High. Not putting down very much on purpose. And we're going to go with our gold. And our white. And our drippy color, which is very pretty and has a lot of metallic in it, so I have no idea what's in here. It was in Mina's barbecue grill. Keep it classy around here. Then I'm just going to put in a little tiny bit of this red. Maybe not quite that tiny.
I think it's going to be really pretty with those colors you got.
I hope so. And that's what I'm going to do. And we're just going to pray is what we're going to do. one thing about blowing these out is you don't want to blow her the same place too many times, but if you've got too much solid on the outside, you can always just kind of lightly hit it and push it a little bit more. So we're selling up beautifully, and I'm excited about it. And so I'm going to grab Mina's torch, and she's going to come over here and show me how to use it, because my dumbass forgot to ask before we started. So, yeah.
Hope you got your flamethrower license.
I don't.
Just turn the knob and then hit the button.
Which button? This button. That button? I don't have to hold it. So, we have our lovely blowout. Now, anything that didn't get hit on the side, you can always go back and touch up when you're done, which is fine. Completely, wonderfully fine.
I love that. I think it's beautiful.
Here's a little spot down here, so I'm just gonna hit it lightly with the stair stick. Bring it down over the side. Then I'm just gonna go around with my finger and do the rest. Which you don't need to watch, because it's boring. So, our painting itself is done. I can clean it up afterwards. I love the way that I love this Venetian blue. This is primo stuff. And the drips are really nice. So, here we are. We have our lovely cells. I love the way that they're outlined in that dark blue. Some of them have blue in the middle, some don't.
Very pretty.
So, come here and look at it with me. What do you think?
Beautiful. I think you should turn it around so that they can
Turn
see
it around
the right
so they
way.
can see it the right way. I'm used to doing a one-man show. This is all new and different.
But you're rocking it, girlie.
So there you go.
Look how
It's
pretty.
still technically a one-man show because I'm the only man here.
That is true. That is true. And so,
Yeah, I
there
love
we
it.
go with our lovely, I see some bubbles still, but that's okay. I'll take care of those in a minute.
Ooh, I see the pearl red starting to come.
Yeah, the pearl red's starting, this little murky stuff is going to
Purpley.
be the pearl red shining through, and I'm hoping that with the blue, it'll make a purpley hint of tint. So, there we go. I hope you like it. And if you do, be sure and leave me a like and give me a comment. Share it with your friends. It's so helpful to us when, our videos get out beyond our little circle. So, thank you for coming and hanging out with us at Mina's house. And until next time.
Tried results. We'll show you tried results.
Until next time. Again, thank you very much. We'll be back in just a minute with some dried results for you. Thank you. It turned out pretty good.
It's beautiful. Cool.
Cool. Okay, here are our dried results from my blowout with the pearl red base, which amazingly disappears in the sunshine. It looks fabulous in the yurt. I think this turned out exceptionally well. I really, really like it. That Venetian blue is just to die for. We have some really nice cells and some incredible lacing. As we go up through here, all the colors played really well together. And being at Mina's and HOAs is just incredible. I'm having the best time. And there you can kind of see, whoops, the red right in there a little. But in the yurt, the light bulb is more yellow than the sun is, and it is just amazing. On one side, you stand and look at it, and the pearl red background looks blue, and you go around to the other side, and it looks red, and in the sunshine, it looks white. So there you go. I'm not sure what to do about that, except you just gotta believe me, okay? Maybe we'll show it to you in the yurt. Yeah, Mina had a great idea. We'll just show it to you in the yurt. But it is beautiful here. The sun is out. Just took a 2-mile walk with 1,800 feet of elevation. It was lovely. But Teddy's having a swim. Hi, Teddy. Because, what else in the cement pond? What else are you going to do on a lovely California day, right? So, yeah, I'll show you the painting in the yurt, because that's pretty awesome.